Okay, so we're back on my mom's phone, and we're back at watching.
Now let me show you.
Stop interrupting me. So we're back on my mom's phone because shut up. We're back on my phone because we're back on my mom's phone because I'm literally suck at having a microphone. My microphone doesn't work. We're gonna be reacting to my favorite YouTuber again. Apparently there's 7.
I added them to walk.
To walk?
I need to show you it.
To walk?
To
walk?
5.
What is this? Quibble? What? What the actual Something is wrong. So apparently
No problem with the language, right? Doesn't know it.
I cannot tell what's happening.
And let me see if I added anyone else. I think.
Okay, that's next.
Oh yeah, I added the rare wublin. Sorry.
But apparently they... Shut up! Stop interrupting me! Apparently they made custom sounds for the rare wublins.
I told you.
The rare wublins don't have custom sounds, but they do now, I guess.
Oh yeah, Alright, they play all the way at the end.
Were they making this at 3 a.m.? Like, I gotta whisper everything I say because I don't want to wake my mommy and daddy up. I can barely even hear their voice.
Alright, here.
What the?
One. The first is rare brown.
So, okay, now instead of saying wake up the wublins, or as I like to call it, la 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 la, it's now do 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 do. Can you believe that I'm like really I cannot hear anything. Sounds good, but it doesn't sound really fitting for Wublin Island. I'm only doing this because Mitty told me to do it. Or meow.
Oh yeah,
the dipsters. Why do they all play at 19?
And that's the end.
That's
Bye.
That was like really short. Took me like 20,000 billion hours to do the first one.